Welcome back to Code and Conquer Daily, where we solve a new LeetCode problem every single day. If this helps you out, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe so you never miss tomorrow's solution. Today we're tackling problem number 3658, GCD of odd and even sums. LeetCode problem number 3658, GCD of odd and even sums. You are given an integer n. Your task is to compute the GCD, greatest common divisor, of two values. sumOdd, the sum of the smallest n positive odd numbers. sumEven, the sum of the smallest n positive even numbers. For example, given n equals 4, the expected output is 4. To find the GCD of the sum of the smallest n positive odd numbers and the sum of the smallest n positive even numbers, we can first calculate the sum of the smallest n positive odd numbers and the sum of the smallest n positive even numbers. Then, we can use the Euclidean algorithm to find the GCD of these two sums. The complexity here is O(n). The sum of the smallest n positive odd numbers can be calculated using the formula n squared. The sum of the smallest n positive even numbers can be calculated using the formula n times n plus n. Then, we can use the Euclidean algorithm to find the GCD of these two sums. However, we can simplify this problem by noticing that the GCD of n squared and n times n plus n is n. The complexity here is O(1). Now let's implement the optimal solution in C++. I'll write it out step by step so you can follow along. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped, give the video a like, share it with someone who's learning, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you never miss tomorrow's LeetCode solution. See you in the next one.